In modern life, reconnecting with nature often takes a backseat. However, our actions can significantly impact biodiversity, even within the confines of our backyard. Embracing a nature-positive lifestyle not only enhances our immediate surroundings, but also contributes to global conservation efforts. In this video, we will tell you how you can nature-positive living and the steps to boost biodiversity in your backyard. So make sure you subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide and press the bell to stay updated. Let's get started. Number 1. Choose native plants. Native plants are fundamental to fostering biodiversity in any region. These species have evolved to thrive in the local climate, soil conditions, and alongside native wildlife. By planting native species, you provide essential habitats and food sources for local insects, birds, and other animals. Unlike exotic plants, which may not support local wildlife effectively, native plants are adapted to the specific needs of local pollinators and wildlife. They also require less water and maintenance once established, making them a sustainable choice for your garden. Number 2. Create diverse habitats. A biodiversity garden includes a range of habitats that cater to different wildlife needs. Introduce trees, shrubs, and flowering plants to provide cover, nesting spots, and food sources for birds, insects, and small mammals. Consider leaving some areas of your garden less manicured, allowing natural debris like fallen leaves and branches to create shelter for insects and microorganisms. Water features such as ponds, bird baths, or even shallow dishes of water are essential for attracting wildlife. They provide drinking and bathing opportunities for birds and serve as habitats for amphibians and beneficial insects like dragonflies. Ensure the water is clean and refreshed regularly to maintain its attractiveness to wildlife, especially during dry spells when natural water sources may be scarce. Number 3. Provide water sources. Water is vital for all living creatures, and incorporating water features into your garden can significantly boost its biodiversity. By installing a small pond or bird bath, you provide birds and wildlife with essential spots to drink and bathe, supporting their health and well-being. Even a basic shallow dish of water can attract butterflies and bees, enhancing the diversity of visitors to your garden. It's crucial to maintain the cleanliness of these water features and refill them regularly, especially during hot weather when natural water sources may become scarce. This ensures that your garden remains a hospitable environment where a wide variety of species can thrive and contribute to a vibrant ecosystem right at your doorstep. Number 4. Avoid chemicals and pesticides. Chemicals like pesticides and weed killers can have harmful effects on biodiversity by harming beneficial insects, birds, and soil organisms. When these helpful creatures are affected, it disrupts the natural balance of the ecosystem, leading to a decrease in biodiversity. Instead of relying on chemicals, it's better to use organic gardening methods that work with nature rather than against it. These methods focus on natural ways to control pests and weeds, such as attracting natural predators like ladybugs and birds that can help keep pest numbers in check. By reducing the use of chemicals in your garden, you can maintain a healthier and more resilient ecosystem. This allows for a diverse range of plants and animals to thrive, contributing to a more balanced and sustainable environment. Number 5. Practice sustainable gardening. To reduce your impact on the environment, it's important to embrace sustainable gardening techniques that promote long-term biodiversity. Start by using compost and mulch to enrich your soil without harmful chemicals. Compost not only improves soil fertility, but also boosts its structure naturally, providing a healthy environment for plants to thrive. Mulching around plants helps retain moisture in the soil and prevents weeds from taking over, which means less need for watering and chemical weed killers. Consider setting up a rainwater harvesting system to collect rainwater for watering your garden during dry spells. This reduces your reliance on municipal water supplies and conserves water resources. By implementing these sustainable practices, you create a garden ecosystem that can sustain itself over time. This ecosystem supports a diverse range of plants and animals, contributing to the overall health and balance of your garden environment. Number 6. Support wildlife beyond your garden. Extending your efforts beyond your backyard can greatly enhance biodiversity conservation. Supporting local conservation initiatives and wildlife habitats is crucial in ensuring the well-being of wildlife populations. You can get involved by joining community gardening projects where you can contribute your gardening skills to create green spaces that support local biodiversity. Participating in native tree planting programs is another impactful way to help restore natural habitats and provide essential resources for wildlife. Additionally, volunteering for local wildlife surveys allows you to contribute valuable data that informs conservation efforts and helps identify areas in need of protection. Number 7. Provide shelter and nesting sites. Wildlife requires safe spaces to rest, hide from predators, and raise their young. Create sheltered areas in your garden using dense shrubs, native hedgerows, or rock piles. These areas offer protection from harsh weather and predators for small animals and insects. Nesting boxes for birds and bats can also provide secure spots for raising offspring, contributing to the local biodiversity of your garden. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Green Life Guide to stay updated with the latest content. You can also send your queries on our page Green Life Guide Official. Thanks for